my present. It's Princess Area presents.
What is it?
It's some pennies. No pants.
Is it pajamas?
Oh man, that is pajamas.
Let's see them. Oh my, Emery. Those are beautiful. Who all's on them?
That's my dress.
Who's on these pajamas?
That's Rapunzel, and that's Ariel.
Who's this over here?
That's Cinderella.
Oh, so they're Cinderella, Rapunzel, Ariel jammies? Oh, I love them.
Look, Daddy.
Show them to me.
I can bring you present.
No, Daddy don't want to open a present tonight. It's not time yet. We're going to wait till it's Christmas.
I don't open your present.
No, I don't want to open a present.
Look at me and tell me what you got.
Show them to Daddy.